Welcome to this beginner's guide to Notion. Notion is a powerful app that helps you organize your work, tasks, notes, and much more, all in one place. Whether you want to plan your day, keep track of projects, or store important information, Notion makes it simple and flexible. First, let's look at the basics. When you open Notion, you will see a sidebar on the left. This sidebar contains your pages. Pages are like digital notebooks or folders where you can add anything you want. You can create a page for your to-do list, a journal, a study plan, or even a budget. To create a new page, just click the New Page button. Give it a name that describes what you want to organize. Inside each page, you can add different types of content called blocks. Blocks can be text, checklists, headings, images, tables, calendars, and more. For example, if you want to make a simple to-do list, start by typing your tasks. Then turn each task into a checkbox block. This way you can check off tasks as you complete them. It's a great way to keep track of your daily goals. Notion also allows you to organize your pages in a way that suits you best. You can create subpages inside pages like chapters in a book. For instance, under a main page called Work, you might have subpages like Meetings, Projects, and Ideas. One of the best features of Notion is its flexibility. You can customize your pages with colors, icons, and covers to make them easy to find and fun to use. This helps keep you motivated and focused. If you want to keep a calendar, you can add a calendar block to a page. This calendar can show your important dates, deadlines, or appointments. You can also link tasks to calendar events to see everything in one place. Another useful tool is the table. Tables work like spreadsheets where you can add rows and columns to organize data. For example, you can create a budget table with columns for items, costs, and notes. To help you get started quickly, Notion offers many ready-made templates. These templates are pre-designed pages for different purposes like habit tracking, reading lists, or project management. You can choose a template, customize it, and start using it right away. In summary, Notion is a simple but powerful way to organize your life. Start with creating pages for your main areas like work, personal, or study. Use blocks to add tasks, notes, or calendars. Customize your workspace so it feels personal and easy to use. Take your time exploring Notion. With a little practice, you will find it easier to keep everything in one place and stay organized every day. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to Notion. Start organizing your life today with Notion.